How to change language in the Lensa app? To change the language in the Lensa app, let's type right it. First things first, let's open the Lensa app. Once you're inside it, look for the setting icon which is in bottom right corner. It's over here. Let's tap on it. Here, unfortunately, the Lensa doesn't have an in-app setting. But yeah, I know it's a bit surprising for a popular app, right? Don't worry, you can still choose the language that the Lensa uses. How the Lensa language works. Lensa, like many apps, usually follows your device primary language setting. This means if your language is set to the English, Lensa will be English. And if your phone is set to the Spanish, Lensa will try to be the Spanish, assuming it's supposed the language. So how do you change it? To change the language in the Lensa, you need to change the language of the entire phone on the tablet. For that, what you can do is simply go to the home screen and search setting in the app drawer or app store. Here I am using app drawer. Let's go to the setting. You can see setting, and under the settings, just scroll down, and here you can see an option called setting. Simply tap on it, and there you can see an option for the languages. From here, you can see the system language is English right now. Let's tap on it. Inside the language, you can see an option for add a language. Simply tap on it and add the language that you want to add into your phone. For example, I want to change it to Turkish. It's added. Now what you have to do is simply tap on it. I wouldn't be showing you the rest process, however this is the whole process and how you can change the language on the phone and ultimately to your Lensa app. I hope this video helped, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.